Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Whispering Words. I'm your host, Alex. If this is your first time watching, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss our daily lessons. Today's episode is all about practical English, specifically 50 of the most useful English phrases you can use in everyday life. These aren't just random sentences, they're real, conversational expressions that native speakers use every day. They'll help you sound more natural, confident, and fluent in any situation, whether you're ordering food, catching up with friends, or having a casual chat at work. So, grab your notebook and let's dive right in. Section 1. Greetings and starting conversations. Let's begin with how people greet each other casually in English. Not just hello or hi, but the phrases native speakers actually use. Phrase 1. Hey, how's it going? This is a super common way to say hello. It's friendly and open-ended. Example. You bump into a neighbor at the grocery store. Hey, how's it going? They might reply, not bad. Just picking up a few things. Phrase 2. What's up? Even shorter and more casual than the first one. Example. If a friend texts you, you could reply, not much. What's up with you? Phrase 3. Long time no see. Use this when you haven't seen someone in a while. Example. Running into an old classmate? Try, you look great. Long time no see. Section 2. Asking how someone is. Instead of always saying, how are you? Here are some more relaxed alternatives. Phrase 4. How's everything going? Perfect for checking in on someone's general well-being. Example. Talking to a coworker. How's everything going at the office? Phrase 5. How are things? A bit more informal and often used among friends. Example. Asking about someone's family. How are things with your parents? Phrase 6. How's life treating you? A fun, slightly playful way to ask how someone is doing. Example. When catching up with a friend. How's life treating you these days? Section 3. Agreeing with someone. Don't just say yes. Sound more natural with these go-to responses. Phrase 7. Exactly. Used when someone says something you completely agree with. Example. Friend. Learning English takes time and effort. Exactly. It doesn't happen overnight. Phrase 8. That's so true. Another strong agreement phrase. Example. Friend. It's been so hot lately. That's so true. I've been sweating nonstop. Phrase 9. Totally. Short, casual, and effective. Example. Friend. I think weekends fly by too fast. Totally. I wish they were longer. Section 4. Expressing surprise or interest. Make your conversations more lively with these expressive phrases. Phrase 10. No way. Great for showing surprise. Example. Friend. I got front row tickets to the concert. No way. That's amazing. Phrase 11. You're kidding. Another way to express shock or disbelief. Example. Friend. I saw Tom Cruise at the gym yesterday. You're kidding. Was he working out? Phrase 12. Seriously? Used when you want to confirm if someone is telling the truth. Example. Friend. I passed my driving test on the first try. Seriously? That's awesome. Section 5. Making requests politely. Being polite matters, and these phrases help you sound respectful and friendly. Phrase 13. Can you do me a favor? Use this when asking for small help. Example. Can you do me a favor and pass the salt? Phrase 14. Would you mind? A softer and very polite way to ask for something. Example. Would you mind closing the window? It's getting cold. Phrase 15. Could you possibly? Adds extra politeness and shows you're aware of their time. Example. Could you possibly check this document before I send it? Section 6. Offering help. Show you care by offering assistance using these natural-sounding lines. Phrase 16. Do you need a hand? Casual and friendly. Example. Seeing someone struggling with bags. Do you need a hand with those? Phrase 17. Let me know if you need anything. A kind way to show support. Example. If a friend looks stressed. Hey, let me know if you need anything. Phrase 18. Is there anything I can do to help? More formal but still warm and helpful. Example. At work. Is there anything I can do to help with the project? Section 7. Confirming plans. These phrases help you lock in plans smoothly and confidently. Phrase 19. Sounds good. Simple and positive. Example. Friend. Let's meet at 7 p.m. You. Sounds good. See you then. Phrase 20. I'm down for that. Very casual and commonly used among younger speakers. Example. Friend. Want to go hiking this weekend? You. I'm down for that. Phrase 21. Let's do it. Quick and enthusiastic. Example. After agreeing on dinner plans. Let's do it. I'll book the table. Section 8. Ending conversations gracefully. Wrap up chats politely without sounding abrupt. Phrase 22. Talk to you soon. Friendly and open-ended. Example. Before hanging up. Well, I should get going. Talk to you soon. Phrase 23. Catch you later. Super casual and used mostly among friends. Example. Leaving a group hangout. Catch you later, guys. Phrase 24. Have a good one. A nice touch to end on a positive note. Example. Signing off a quick chat. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good one. Section 9. Expressing emotions and reactions. Let's start with how to naturally express joy, concern, or understanding when someone shares good or bad news. Phrase 25. That's awesome. Use this when someone tells you great news. Example. Friend. I got accepted into my dream school. You. That's awesome. Congratulations. Phrase 26. I'm so happy for you. A heartfelt way to show genuine support. Example. Friend. We're expecting a baby. You. I'm so happy for you. That's incredible. Phrase 27. That's too bad. A polite response to sad or disappointing news. Example. Friend. I missed the job interview. You. That's too bad. Is there a chance to reschedule? Phrase 28. I'm sorry to hear that. Used to express empathy and compassion. Example. Friend. My dog isn't doing well. You. I'm sorry to hear that. I hope he gets better soon. Section 10. Showing understanding and empathy. These phrases help you connect emotionally with others and build rapport. Phrase 29. I get it. Short and casual. Used when you understand someone's situation. Example. Friend. I've been really stressed lately. You. Yeah, I get it. It's been tough for me too. Phrase 30. I know what you mean. Great for showing agreement or shared experience. Example. Friend. It's hard to stay focused these days. I know what you mean. My mind keeps wandering. Phrase 31. That makes sense. Useful when someone explains something logically. Example. Coworker. I think we should delay the meeting. That makes sense. We need more time to prepare. Section 11. Asking for clarification. Sometimes you'll need to ask someone to repeat or explain something clearly. Phrase 32. Could you say that again? Polite and clear way to ask for repetition. Example. Speaker. The deadline is Thursday. Could you say that again? I want to make sure I heard correctly. Phrase 33. What do you mean by that? Asking for clarification without sounding confused. Example. Friend. I'm thinking of going off-grid for a while. What do you mean by that? Like no internet at all. Phrase 34. Can you explain it differently? Helpful when you didn't fully grasp the meaning. Example. Teacher. This concept is based on quantum mechanics. Can you explain it differently? I'm still a bit lost. Section 12. Filler words and thinking time. Native speakers often use filler words to give themselves time to think. Phrase 35. Let me think. Natural pause before responding. Example. Question. What's your favorite travel destination? Response. Let me think. Probably Japan. Phrase 36. Well, gives you time to start your sentence smoothly. Example. Question. Do you agree with that idea? Response. Well, I think it could work, but maybe with some changes. Phrase 37. Casual connector used mid-sentence. Example. I love hiking, especially during autumn. Section 13. Making suggestions. When you want to offer an idea or plan something fun. Phrase 38. How about? Friendly and open-ended suggestion. Example. Hey, how about we go hiking this weekend? Phrase 39. Why don't we? Another soft and common way to suggest. Example. Why don't we try that new Italian place tonight? Phrase 40. Let's do it. Enthusiastic confirmation of a plan. Example. After agreeing on dinner plans. Sounds good. Let's do it. Section 14. Changing the subject smoothly. Sometimes you'll want to switch topics politely. Phrase 41. By the way. Perfect for bringing up something new. Example. You had a great time at the party, right? By the way, did you meet Sarah? Phrase 42. Speaking of. Natural transition to another related topic. Example. We were talking about coffee earlier. Speaking of, have you tried that new cafe yet? Section 15. Disagreeing politely. Learning to disagree respectfully is key in any language. Phrase 43. I see your point, but respectful way to offer a different view. Example. Friend. I think online learning is better than in person. I see your point, but I prefer face-to-face classes. Phrase 44. I'm not sure I agree with that. Soft disagreement without being confrontational. Example. Colleague. This project doesn't need any feedback. I'm not sure I agree with that. Feedback helps improve it. Section 16. Reacting to surprises. Sound engaged and expressive when hearing unexpected news. Phrase 45. That's crazy. For surprising or shocking news. Example. Friend. I saw a bear near my house last night. That's crazy. Was it dangerous? Phrase 46. No way. Strong reaction to something surprising. Example: Friend, I got VIP tickets to the concert. You, no way. That's amazing. Section 17. Giving reassurance. Comfort others when they feel worried or embarrassed. Phrase 47. Don't worry about it. Kind phrase when someone apologizes for a small mistake. Example: Friend, sorry I was late. You, don't worry about it. It happens to everyone. Phrase 48. It's not a big deal. Downplaying minor issues. Example: Friend, I forgot to send the email. You, it's not a big deal. Just send it now. Section 18. Final conversational tools. Quick and useful phrases to wrap up your fluency toolkit. Phrase 49. You know what I mean? Checks if the listener understands. Example: It's kind of confusing, you know what I mean? Phrase 50. Right? Casual tag question to confirm understanding. Example: That movie was super slow, right? And that's it. You've just learned 50 must-know English phrases that will boost your confidence and fluency in daily life. From greetings to reactions, from making suggestions to politely disagreeing, we've covered everything you need to sound like a native speaker.